This is Probucket. This is a free site that helps you to know about programming languages like C, data structure, Java, Kotlin, Python, HTML, .NET, JavaScript and approx all type of programming codes. Here also available many free ebooks of all types of programming languages. There is a section in bottom of the site where there are 3 parts. First one is write an article for us that allows to submit your own article to us and we will post the article by including your name on our site. Is it cool? So submit any education related article you want. The second part is have assignments. This is a part which is very helpful for all type of students. Here you can submit your school or college assignments, then we will do your assignment for you. Don't think just submit your assignment here. The last part is join us. By joining us you can be a member of Probucket family. It's a bucket of things that a student needs, so it is named Probucket. For more information visit the link which is shown at the end of this video. Thanks for seeing the introduction video of Probucket. Like and subscribe the channel for upcoming tutorial videos and related posts.